Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. As JEE Mains exams are going on and I hope you are preparing well for it. See, there is no other alternative of hard work, but always remember to study smarter than your competitor. So to help you, I am here to give insight into the recently asked question paper of JEE Chemistry. I will give you detailed analysis and a complete breakup of the sections of the questions asked from the different sections, that is from organic, inorganic and physical part. So let's go. Have a look in my first slide. Just see this pie chart. What you will observe that this time they are asking more questions from physical part. Although I agree that the weightage of the physical part is more as comparison to organic and inorganic. But don't ignore the organic and inorganic part. Why I am saying to you this? It's because the questions they have asked from organic and inorganic, they are conceptual and they take little time. So in less time you will score more marks. Although the questions coming from the physical part, they are little calculative. Actually, they are taking more time to do calculation. Although they are formula based, but the calculation is little lengthy. That's why I am saying to save your time, do prepare for organic and inorganic well. Now moving on, have a look in our next slide. Here you can see the graph. Here you can clearly see the number of questions asked from 12th part is more as comparison to the number of questions asked from 11th part. But the important thing is that the question they have asked from the 11th part, they are NCERT based, they are conceptual. So you can't ignore that 11th part as your concept developed from there only. So it's very important to have equal importance to 12th and 11th part. Now moving to next slide. What this boy is thinking? Let me help you with this. Oh, he is thinking about the number of questions and from the different sections they have asked from class 11th and class 12th. This is chart of class 11th. I will show class 12th later on. Okay, here you can see I have divided the number of questions that they have asked from organic, inorganic and physical part, percentage, respective weightage and difficulty level. This red indicates the difficult part, this green indicates the easy part and it is moderate part. You can clearly see the number of questions they have asked from inorganic part, they are respectively easy. Actually the question like chemical bonding, coordination, they are NCERT based, so you can easily do by doing the NCERT questions. Now coming on this level, actually the question asked from organic, from hydrocarbon and purification and characterization of organic compound, they are little difficult as comparison to these two parts. So you have to practice more and more complex questions from this topic. This time what happened, they have in chemistry paper especially, they have asked at least one question from every chapter. Okay, so every chapter has its own importance. Okay, now you got it. And coming to physical part, these are all moderate. Little bit the question they have asked from redox, from solutions and all that, they are little lengthy. I will tell that it is lengthy. It is easy, it is moderate, but it was little lengthy. Now moving on, have a look. Oh, here is the question that they have asked from class 12 part. Respectively, you can see the colors, which is difficult, which is moderate and which is easy one. So previously I have told you the question they have asked from the solution part, that was actually little calculative only. They are all formula based, but they are little calculative and the most of the questions that are from moderate or easy level. Okay, in my next slide, have a look. So the important things, don't ignore this chapter. Which chapter? Have a look. Okay, polymers, biomolecules, surface chemistry, environmental chemistry and chemistry in everyday life. As I have told, in this year, they have asked at least one question from every chapter. So what students do? They generally ignore all this topic. They thought no, they are not good, so they just ignore, they are not so important actually. So why I am saying you to this, have a look. Total 16 to 18 marks you can get by doing these all chapters. Actually, you can prepare it within 2 to 3 days. So you can get easily 16 to 18 marks by preparing this chapter. That's not joke. That's why I am telling, just don't ignore these chapters. You can again see the polymer, biomolecule, surface chemistry. When you see the previous year question, you will definitely find question from this. Okay, so please practice all these questions. Now, the important things are that first point, NCERT problems are very important. So you have to practice more and more NCERT problem. Second thing is that this time they are asking more questions from physical chemistry. You need to practice more and more questions from physical chemistry so that your calculation speed improve. Okay, and the third point is, just don't ignore many organic or inorganic. Okay, although physical has weightage, but you have to give equal importance to all the three ones. And the last one is that just don't run after just attempting the question. Okay, you have to maintain the accuracy. If you are 90% sure, then only you will go with that question. Okay, don't just do that I have to do score more and more, I have to just attempt more and more questions. Okay, so as you know that only one negative mark will take away 100 of rank. That's why I am telling you, just maintain accuracy. Okay, so finally I thought after this short video, it will give you a better understanding where to channelize your focus and where to channelize your energy. Okay, in my next video I will tell you about the easy topic with more weightage so that you can score good marks in minimal efforts. So thank you, and for more videos follow us on Skyget. Thank you.